Covaxin. What is Covaxin? Where is Covaxin made? What are the indications and contraindications of Covaxin? In other words, should you take Covaxin? Should you not take Covaxin? Let's find out. How does Covaxin work? Or what is its mechanism of action? And finally, what are the adverse effects or side effects of Covaxin? A quick disclaimer regarding this video. This video is not medical advice. Please consult with your physician before taking the COVID vaccination. Consider this video as just an update regarding the Covaxin. As we all know, the world is facing a huge healthcare crisis in the form of COVID-19 virus, which began way back in 2019 from the Wuhan district of China, which has now spread worldwide. India is currently the epicenter of this global pandemic with over 21 million confirmed cases and over 2.5 lakh deaths. So, how do you prevent the transmission of the virus? We can do it by the following ways. Wear masks at all times when you leave the house. Sanitize your hands when you leave the house and when you enter the house. And avoid social gatherings. Lockdowns and travel restrictions will go a long way in limiting the spread of the coronavirus. Do not go outside unnecessarily. And finally, vaccination will be the end game for prevention of the transmission of the coronavirus. Before understanding about Covaxin, let us first know exactly what a vaccine is. Take a pathogen and you can either kill it or inactivate it using methods like heat, chemicals, or radiation, or a combination of these methods. Then, this weakened or killed form of the pathogen is introduced into the human body. Once this pathogen is introduced into the human body, it triggers the immune system of the human body. The immune system then produces antibodies against the offending pathogen and stores it in the form of immune memory. In the future, when a vaccinated person actually gets the original pathogen from the nature, then the immune system produces a powerful response against the offending organism and the pathogen is killed and the disease is eliminated from the human body. So how long does it usually take to produce a vaccine? It usually takes about 10 years of research and development, coming up with the formulations, doing animal trials and clinical trials. But during this pandemic time, we cannot wait for a period of 10 years because it is a healthcare emergency. And because of that, virologists, microbiologists and pharmaceutical companies have come up with a vaccine within just a period of 1.5 years, and credit should be given to them. Covaxin is the first Indian-made vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2 or the COVID-19 virus. Where is Covaxin made? Covaxin is made at the Bharat Biotech firm, which is based at Hyderabad. And what is the formulation used for the preparation of Covaxin? ICMR and Bharat Biotech formulation is used, and it has taken 1.5 years of research from virologists, microbiologists and pharmaceutical companies for the manufacturing and development of Covaxin. Formulation of Covaxin. Killed coronavirus is used in the formulation of Covaxin. So how is the coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2 virus killed? It can be killed using heat, chemicals or radiation. The vaccine that is injected into the human body triggers the immune system of the body, which in turn produces antibodies and stored in the form of immune memory. In the future, when a vaccinated person actually gets infected by the coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the antibodies produce a strong response against the coronavirus and kills the virus and stops the disease. This is how the vaccine works. Mechanism of action of Covaxin, or how does Covaxin work? Covaxin is introduced in the human body intramuscularly in 2 divided doses at a time interval of 4 to 6 weeks apart. The injected Covaxin triggers the immune system of the human body to produce antibodies, which is stored in the immunity in the form of immune memory. Later, when a vaccinated person gets infected by the coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2, then the preformed antibodies attacks the SARS-CoV-2 and kills the virus and stops the disease. This is how Covaxin works. Efficacy. What do you mean by efficacy? Out of a population of 100 people, for an example, 100 people are vaccinated against a particular disease, and 50 people after getting the vaccine get the disease and 50 people don't get the disease, then the efficacy of that particular vaccine against that disease is 50%. For Covaxin, it is around 80%, meaning out of every 100 people that are vaccinated against SARS-CoV-2 virus, 80 people are protected from the virus and 20 people have the chance to get the virus. Is it safe to take Covaxin? Yes, Covaxin is safe provided that you are hale and healthy. If you have no comorbid conditions, then Covaxin is safe vaccine. However, if you are a person with comorbid conditions like diabetes or hypertension, or if you are on immunosuppressant drugs due to any particular causes like cancer, then please consult with your physician before taking your COVID vaccination. Adverse effects or side effects of Covaxin. Usually there is pain or soreness at the site of injection, which usually gets resolved in a period of 1 day. Other side effects or minor symptoms include fever, which is of mild to moderate in nature, for a duration of 2 to 3 days, running nose, sore throat, and generalized body pain, which all gets over within a period of 2 to 3 days. A quick word of precaution for people who are above the age of 45 years old, you must do a CRP and an ESR blood test. And if these values are elevated for any particular reason, then you must not get yourself vaccinated. For pregnant and lactating mothers, since there is lack of clinical data regarding the safety and efficacy of the vaccine in that particular group, Covaxin is generally avoided in that particular group. For people with comorbid conditions like heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, people with diabetes, hypertension, and people who are on immunosuppressant drugs, you must consult with your physician before taking the COVID vaccination. Always use masks when you go out, vaccinate yourself, social distance, and avoid unnecessary crowds. And stay safe. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I'll catch you in the next video.